Are you having fun, CJ? Good job. Is it fun? Wow.
I want to make a snowball.
Okay, you can make a snowball. Ooh, wow. It's deep.
Ball.
All right, CJ. Oh, the sun is coming out. Hi, sun. What time is it?
Maybe 11? I don't know.
Oh, the sun is kind of low. Now, how the mailman gonna deliver all
He's probably gonna walk.
the bags are covered.
He's probably gonna walk over there. Well, my fingers are froze.
CJ, are you eating the snow? No, don't eat the snow.
Make sure it isn't yellow.
Get another snowball. What you gonna do with that? Are you gonna throw it to mommy? Ah! Oh no! Oh no! You wanna go inside, CJ? You wanna go warm up? Oh no! Let's go back inside, please.
I'm very nervous about him getting too cold.
You got rosy cheeks.
You got Rosie?
Yep.